affordable vitamin C serum you can get and start using today. Number one in my list is Dysa. Dysa is a very nice product. They have other range of products, but their vitamin C is very nice. It is written 100% organic. That means it is made from fruit. It's not laboratory made. It contains glutathione and hyaluronic acid. This particular vitamin C will give your face a glow. Immediately you rub it, there is this glow that it gives your face. So you can get it around 2,500 and 3K. Go to any cosmetics shop around you will get it. Accelerated aging with deep wrinkles, loss of collagen leading to sagging skin, slow wound healing resulting in scars and marks, increased sun damage leads to age, spot, and uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation becoming more severe, harder to treat, uneven skin tone become more. These skin problems is what we face every day. Don't be scared. Skincare routine, you can manage them. And one of these ingredients you need to fight all this is vitamin C. Hi, my name is Chioma. In this channel, I talk about skincare products. I review them. I teach you how to use them. I even talk about natural hair care. That is everything about skincare. So, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, so that YouTube will recognize my channel and push my videos out. So back to the topic of today is the 5 most affordable vitamin C serum you can get and start using today. Sometimes when I recommend vitamin C serum to people, they will tell me it's costly, they can't afford it. But yes, there are high ones, there are high end, there are middle and there are low end. So start where you can afford. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 affordable vitamin C serum in Nigerian market that you can get and start using today. Vitamin C is so important that it contains ingredients that will help us reduce wrinkles, protect and increase collagen production, and aid wound healing. There are some people, their wound don't heal quick. Vitamin C serum helps in getting rid of some scars in your body or your face, helps protect against sun damage. It also reduces hyperpigmentation, brightens your complexion, acts like an armor against pollution and other free radicals. So you see that this product is very essential for you to add it to your skincare routine. The number 2 on our list today is Pretty Cowrie. Pretty Cowrie is another amazing vitamin C serum that I have used. It has lots of natural ingredients like vitamin E, rose hip, green tea. It also has hyaluronic acid and is 98.1 natural ingredients. So it is almost natural. You will get it around 3K, 3,035. Just check around in your neighborhood. There must be a good cosmetic shop selling it. Try it and you understand what I'm talking about. Number 3 and my most favorite is Dr. Rachel. To be honest, I have used up to 10 bottles of Dr. Rachel's vitamin C serum. I so much like it because it gives you this visible result in few days. You can get it between 2,500 and 3,000. It also contains hyaluronic acid. It's good. So go and try it, get it and give it a try. Number 4 on our list today is Blemish Care. Blemish Care is another vitamin C serum I will recommend for you to start using. It's good for beginners. So if you don't have to think that you need to get 10K, 8K before you get vitamin C serum. No, with 3K, 3,500, Blemish Care is another vitamin C serum I will recommend for you. Is good. Number 5 is Pime. Pime is a nice vitamin C serum. I will recommend this one for a dark skin tone. If you know you are not fair, go for Pime. Pime is very nice. I have used 1 bottle of it. It is very affordable also. You can get it around 2,500 or 3,000. You cannot pass 3,000. So look for a cosmetic shop around your area and try this Pime. I will recommend it for dark skin people. So I have a bonus tip for you. This particular one is so somehow on the high side. I would like call it high side. No, it's around 5,000 to 6K. So my initial plan was to tell you vitamin C serums that are below 4K, but this one is also nice. I cannot hide it. So let me tell you, this one is balanced vitamin C serum. It's very, very nice also. So if you're buoyant a bit, you can go and give it a try. It's very, very nice. It's around 6 to 7K. So try and incorporate vitamin C serum to your skincare today and thank me later. I will show you within 2 weeks you will see visible results in your face. Those wrinkles that are coming out, hyperpigmentation, uneven tone skin, where your face, your body is not the same color, vitamin C will help in correcting them. So thank you for watching to the end. I really appreciate your support. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. You can also check out all my other videos that are very nice too. So bye bye.